my god, this bowl is so sad. Oh, it's fogging up my camera. There's like a piece right here that's like bit in.
Beautiful.
So I slept with some socks on because it was so cold last night. Like my feet were freezing. I don't know where the other one went though. So sad. So this came in the mail today. Yeah, I actually was not expecting this to come in. This is my old one. It is a 2012, mid 2012, and it was just dying out on me. Sadly, it does not come with these stuff. So that's just like the thing that sucks about this. You have to buy it separately, like these stuff. So I'm not going to be able to edit my things on there right now until I buy this extension for it. It just, that's the thing that I just don't like. I think Mac needs to fix that, but they probably won't because they gain more money by making everything separate. I'm gonna open this up. I think I'm gonna make a separate video on it though, so keep your eyes peeled for that, I guess. So I just finished eating, and I also finished doing some of my Earth homework. It was actually a quiz that I had to do. I still have to do some other stuff, like labs and stuff for my Earth class. So I'm gonna look through that. I'm gonna see what it requires. Just made, that is not a cute angle. Just made myself some coffee. I was just craving coffee. Oh my god, look, I've already had this for a day. And look at the marks. I'm gonna clean that right now. I was talking and I wasn't even recording this whole time. I served myself some water. So today I did my makeup because I did not want to go on camera without it. Even though I just did not feel like doing anything today. So yesterday I found out that I got my period, and which makes sense because I was just not feeling good yesterday, and my head hurts, like just this side of my head hurts and my eyes. I already took Tylenol, no, Aleve, I think it was Aleve, and I took that like an hour ago, but like my headache has not gone away. But I need to do homework. So I just found out that I have an assignment due today for one of my classes. So I'm gonna have to do that. Look, I'm wearing my headband that I've been making. I made my sister one. This one's a different style than the one I did before. If you haven't seen my last video, I talk about my crochet journey. Basically, I don't get it. Okay, so my professor said that he posted a discussion board, but I don't see it. Today I'm going to do the project that I have due today. I feel like today's gonna be mostly a school day because Tuesdays I would usually have schools. But I do want to finish a lot of my schoolwork just so I don't have to worry about it tomorrow. I did do a quiz yesterday. Oh, and I'm sitting on my desk. I usually sit on my bed when I do my work and stuff, but I really can't film on my bed without like having to hold it. So I'm gonna do it do my homework on my desk. Yeah, I technically got ready today. These are my PJ shirt. But this, I wore this yesterday, and then I'm wearing some leggings. I wanted to get ready at least a bit so I can feel a lot better. But yeah, I'm gonna get my iPad right now. Oh no, it's in the way. For my iPad, I'm like this. Wow, I'm sorry. But for my iPad, I usually use it when I have to handwrite notes, but also I use it to look at a document, because if I look through a document in my computer, it usually downloads it and I have it on my files in my computer, and it's so annoying. So with the iPad, it doesn't download it. So I'm gonna work through this, and then I'm gonna just speed this up. So time has not passed, but it has. It is 12:29. I just finished my assignment, my project, and I'm gonna have my sister check it later on today. For the meantime, I'm going to start my other homework, and this one is due, I think, Sunday or Saturday. I don't remember when. But I was just thinking right now, should I do the readings for my other assignment? I don't really want to. One of them is, luckily, they have it on YouTube. Like, it's they're reading it for you. My professor posted it, and he's like, if you don't want to read it, here is a YouTube video that someone is reading it for you. And he was like, but if you don't want that, then you have to find the book. And so I was actually gonna rent the book, but I put it on hold, and I think that I am next in line to get the book, or I currently have no holds. Yeah, I don't know. But the library right now is closed till the 31st, so I'm gonna have to listen to the audiobook for it. So I just ate some food. I forgot to record it just because I was so hungry, so I just ate. I think I'm gonna just go back to doing my homework and stuff. I just want to finish most of my work so I don't have to do it during this week, and then so I can have time to do my homework for my other two classes. I feel like those are going to be a little more time consuming just because I have to read for them. Even though the earth one is a lot right now, too, I have to do 2 labs by the end of this week. So I'm gonna try to finish that. I'm also gonna upload, I think, my project already, so I don't have to worry about that anymore. So I think right now I'm going to upload my assignments. It is 1:43. It's 1:43? Almost 2. Man, the day has gone by. I do feel a lot better than how I felt in the morning. My head stopped hurting. Hallelujah. When my head starts hurting, I feel like I just can't do anything. And it was just like this side of my head and my eye. So it was annoying. So I feel better, which is yay. What was I gonna say? I look so crazy today. So it is 2:51 and I think I'm gonna take a nap. I wasn't able to do basically anything of my earth assignment today. I might work on it later on today. I'm not sure. I feel like I'm out of focus there. Yeah, I'm not sure if I am. I feel like I might, but then again I might get lazy. But yeah, I'm like tired already. So I think I'm gonna take a nap. So it is around 7 o'clock. I woke up like 30 minutes, more like 40 minutes ago. And you can really see my concealer. That looks so bad. Anyways, I woke up and I was just like on my phone. And I woke up so hungry. So I think I'm going to go make some mac and cheese or something. I don't know what we have. I think we just have like mac and cheese. So, or maybe actually, I think I can eat my food that I had on Sunday, but I'm gonna see if I still have that. Okay, so I grabbed my food. I am drinking some Gatorade and leftover Mediterranean food. You can't even see it. Hi everyone, so it is 1:43. I did not just wake up. I woke up around like 10 and then was just being lazy. I didn't realize, but I should have realized that, you know, a week in quarantine is gonna be repetitive because all you're doing is just being home doing the same thing because all you can't do is be home. I did my regular stuff, like showered, ate breakfast, all that. I just didn't want to record it because it's just the same thing. I didn't film last night, but I actually ended up finishing my Earth assignment for this week, which is great. Now I just have my Chicano studies and then history. And the Chicano studies is due today at midnight. And then my history assignment is due tomorrow. I don't know why he posted it today though. He should have posted our assignment yesterday, but whatever. So first I'm gonna do the one that is due today, and then I'm gonna do the one that's due tomorrow. For Chicano studies, it's usually a lot of reading, but this discussion board luckily is on a film I haven't seen. So I'm gonna look at the film right now. I'm gonna see how long the film is. DB. So I'm going to work on my homework once I'm done eating lunch. So it is Thursday. We're almost done with this week. My apologies for not filming yesterday. Let me just give you a recap of what happened. After I was done recording, I ate, and then I was gonna start my homework, but then my nephew wanted to play some Minecraft online. So I played with my nephew for about like an hour and a half maybe. And then once I was done, I did my homework. I turned it in, and now today I ate breakfast, got ready to go nowhere. Now I'm going to do my other homework. So it is 5:06 and I finally finished my assignment for today. I'm glad that I'm done for this week. I'm glad that I did my other assignments already, so I don't have to do any more. It's Friday! So it's Friday. I'm so excited because and I'm so excited that it's Friday because I don't have anything due today. Next week I actually don't have school either. It's spring break for us. I don't know what that was. It's spring break for us. It was definitely a different experience having all my classes online this week. It was kind of stressful at times, but I know that I'm gonna get used to it. But yeah, I did my makeup today because I was like, I just wanted to do it, and I'm so glad I did because I don't know, it just distracted me a bit. I'm just putting things away. I also braided my hair too. My hair is getting so long. Let me show you. Look at it. Okay, this braid looks ugly. Let me show you this one. My hair is getting so long. Look at my carpet. I got this carpet like a couple weeks ago, and I had it over here, but I ended up putting it here like 2 days ago. I don't know if I like it here or if I like it here. My shoes, I have shoes everywhere. Just ignore them. And this is how it looks. I like it here because you could see it, but I also like it here because, I don't know, it's helpful when I am doing my hair because I stand here. I feel like I walk through here more. I don't know. I think, oh. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I also have a wicker basket over here, and I really like it because I put my bags in there and it just keeps everything organized. I do need to organize my room a little bit, so I think I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna start with this. This almost hit my toes. I'm so sad that this week I didn't make any headbands. I just was not feeling like making any, and then I was also pretty busy with schoolwork. So when I was redoing my room, I'm like super washed out. When I was redoing my room, I have yarn here. Just ignore that. I have a backpack full of yarn, but I guess I was too lazy, so I just put it here. So when I was redoing my room, I got these baskets because my sister had these in her closet and it looked like very organized, her closet, so I ended up getting two from Target, and I really like them. Like, they make your closet look so much more organized, and I do need to get one for my throw blankets, but I really like how they look. I'm like breaking out so much on my chin, which sucks. I hate breaking out on my chin because my chin is the only place where my marks, my acne marks stay. Like, they never go away, which is so annoying. Oh, where do these shoes go? I'm gonna see you down there. Put this in my bag of yarn. Okay, I think everything is a bit organized. Oh, look at my, I don't know, art frames. I talked about it in my clean with me video. If you haven't seen that, you can check it out. I'll link it down below. I talked about my picture and I got a picture frame for it. I just didn't show it in that video. So my sister made the picture and it's just a heart, and then I finally bought a picture frame for it. I got this at Ross. There you go. And then this is like not straight at all. Oh no, I just made it worse. And then these are some embroidery stuff that I've made. I made this like a few months ago, maybe a year ago. It just says a bee. You can't even see it because of the pattern. I don't like throwing away fabric, but these are like fabrics that I wasn't gonna use anymore. This one was the first one I made, so I learned a lot from it. Like, you need to mark where you're gonna put your flowers. And then this one's my favorite one. I love deers, fawns. So I don't know what I said in my last clip, but it is already 7. Now I'm drinking some tea. Well, I don't know if it's tea. Is it tea? It's lemon with water, basically. And that's tea. Is that tea? But I thought tea was like herbs and stuff. I don't know. It's supposed to be really good for you.